Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to make MSI monitor colors more vibrant, saturation, and color temp and dimming mode. Make your MSI monitor color pop with a right setting. Follow these steps to get more vibrant, rich, and eye-catching colors. And let's see step by step how to fix the colors of MSI monitor. Step number 1. Open the OSD menu. Press the joystick button on the back of the MSI monitor. Move right to enter the OSD menu. Step 2. Select Dreaming mode. Go to Dreaming and select Dreaming mode. Choose a that boosts color and contrast. Step 3. Increase saturation. Go to Image, select color, increase the saturation level. And step 4. Adjust color temperature. Go to Image, select color temperature, choose a warmer setting. Best option for vibrant color of warm are 65,000 to 75,000. Moving ahead, step 5. Enable image enhancement. Go to Image, select image enhancement, then turn it on. This step boosts your contrast, saturation, and sharpness for a more vivid look. Then simply save and enjoy. Press left to go back. Your settings are saved automatically. Here are the recommended vibrant setting and best setting for different use cases. You can also note it down and apply on your monitor. Let's see Ester Color Boost tips. Max brightness means set brightness between 70 to 800. Set contrast between 60 to 80 and disable blue light. These reduce vibrancy and full RGB makes our RGB range is 0 to 250 in GPU setting. And here are the today pro tips are calibration tools. Use MSI True Color for perfect calibration and install MSI ICC profile for accurate color and if supported enable HDR for even better colors. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.